So I don't know about you guys, but my ordinary bin tends to look quite empty. So I recycle pretty much as I can, though I tend to buy zero waste in the first place. And then any plastic that I can't, I put inside my eco brick. And then I guess the main things that are going inside my bin is food waste, and then anything that I can't recycle, so like tissues and things like that. Obviously, well, if you have a food waste, you should always put that in there. But Leeds doesn't do food waste, and I don't have a garden, so I can't compost myself. So it has to go inside the ordinary bin. So obviously don't want to use a plastic bag to line my bin bag. So what I use instead, and what we've now started selling, are compostable bags. So these are the answer to all your prayers. So they are 30 litres. So 30 litre, I've rolled it out so you can see how big that is. That is a 30 litre bag. So it fits pretty much most bins that you will have. And that's sort of, I think, the perfect size that I need anyway, because like I say, most of the things I don't actually chuck in the normal bin. So it would take a long time for me to fill a really big bin. So these are compostable bin liners. I mean, what else can you say? They're fantastic. I don't think that I'm ever going to use a normal, ordinary plastic bag ever again. I've gone way past that. But yeah, you can get those now online. So go check that out. It's just another extra thing that you can do, really simple, to cut down any of your single-use plastic.